How to improve the suction power of a vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner uses a bag. So here's the motor. The motor creates the suction and air is being drawn through an opening which is here in the rear part. Okay, and the bag is pretty full of dirt right now, and since the motor is pulling the air from the rear part, that means that the dirt is in the rear part of the bag also. So if the dirt is in the rear part and the opening is also here in the rear part, then that means that the dirt is blocking that opening. So to improve the suction power, use anything that can create a distance between the bag and the opening through where the motor is drawing the air. I will insert this clear plastic or whatever you can find you can use and insert it there. This creates a distance between the bag and that opening. The bag is not pushing itself exactly onto the opening, thus there's a small space from where air can be drawn, and then suction will be applied onto the side, onto the top, and on the other side of the bag also, and thus the suction power should be improved. Okay, so let's try it without this element. As you can see, the bag is pulled to the rear part. Now let's create a distance there by inserting that. The distance will be higher than before because here are these elements which are holding this filter. Okay, so let's close it. The difference is not huge, but as you can see, there is a space from where air can be drawn. So let's compare it once again without. Look how close it is. I can barely take it off. Now it's not getting closer. Currently is not a huge difference, but the more the distance between the bag and that opening, the higher the suction should be. Okay, now both sides are bent. Let's try it that way. Now it's pushing away the top and the bottom also.